Hi, this is the Tuks Cricket Club at the High Performance Centre in Pretoria, where 14 seasons ago I arrived as a nervous youngster when I was first called into the Proteas squad. Today at the same place, I want to let you know that I've decided to retire from all international cricket with immediate effect. After 114 test matches, 228 one-day internationals and 78 T20 internationals, it is time for others to take over. I've had my turn, and to be honest, I'm tired. This is a tough decision. I thought long and hard about it, and I'd like to retire while still playing decent cricket. And after the fantastic series wins against India and Australia, now feels the right time to step aside. It would not be right for me to pick and choose where and when and in what format I play for the Proteas. For me, in green and gold, it must be everything or nothing. I will always be grateful for my teammates, the coaches and the staff of Cricket South Africa for their support through all these years. It's not about earning more somewhere else. It's about running out of gas and feeling that it's time to move on. Everything comes to an end. To cricket fans around South Africa and around the world, thank you very much for your kindness, your generosity, and today for your understanding. I have no plans to play overseas. In fact, I hope I can continue to be available for the Titans in domestic cricket, and I will remain the biggest supporter of Faf du Plessis and the Proteas. Thank you.